Hello, listeners, and welcome back to our channel. I'm the Storyteller. So, I hope that all of you are doing great and all of you are eager to learn something new. That's why today I am here with our new story. The name of the story is The Wise Parrot. This is a very interesting and moralful story. So, before moving towards our story, if you like my voice or like this story, so please do subscribe to our channel. So, now let's move towards it. Once upon a time, in a deep forest, there resided a beautiful parrot. The parrot was extremely magnificent and lived there with his brother. One day, a hunter was passing through the forest. When the parrot caught his eye, he said, "These will make a great present for the king." He set up a trap and caught the parrots. He then took them to the king and presented them as a gift. The king was extremely happy to have received such a beautiful gift. He ordered his servants to put the parrots in a golden cage and ordered them to take care of the parrots day and night. The parrots were well taken care of and fed the most delicious food the king's palace had to offer. The servants ran about to keep the parrots comfortable. Even the young prince used to come to play with the parrots. The young prince treated them with utmost care and respect and loved the parrots. One day, the younger parrot exclaimed, "Brother, we are so lucky to have been brought here." The older parrot replied, "Yes, we are lucky that the hunter brought us here." Then the younger parrot said, "Our lives in the palace are so comfortable. We have everything here, and above all, we are so loved." The parrots were very happy in the palace. Their needs were looked after and they were loved. They had quickly become the center of attraction. Then one day everything changed. The hunter returned with another present. This time it was a beautiful black monkey. Soon, the monkey became the main attraction in the palace. The parrots were neglected because of the monkey. Even the princess stopped visiting the parrots. That monkey destroyed our beautiful world. "Everybody neglects us now," said the younger parrot in frustration. The other brother replied, "Don't worry, brother, nothing is permanent in the world. You will see things change soon." One day, the monkey started acting up, creating a lot of trouble in the palace. Even the little prince was now scared of the monkey. "Throw him back into the jungle," the king ordered his men. Once the monkey was thrown out, the parrots again became the center of attention. The young parrot excitedly said, "Our good days have returned." The older parrot smiled, as he knew nothing in the world was permanent. Time and circumstances never stay the same. You should not get depressed because the time is unfavorable. Better times always come. This is when the younger brother realized that his older brother was right and swore never to lose his patience in difficult times again. The end. So, how was the story? Please tell us in the comment box. At last, the moral of the story is that nothing is permanent in our lives. Everything changes with time and nothing stands still. I hope that all of you like this story. So please do like, share, subscribe and comment on our channel. Thanks for listening.